G'day everyone, Callum from AVDC here. I finally got around to putting some serious sound in my car. And we've had a lot of questions about it, a lot of great responses. So why don't I show you a little bit more about it. So the sound system is powered up front by the Pioneer AVIC F80 DAB head unit. It's a fantastic top of the range touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as standalone navigation. And it'll play back basically any audio format that I want in the car. We've got some cool customizations with that as well, but I'll show you more about them later. The front stage is DLS's RZ6.2, which is a 2-inch wideband and 6.5-inch mid-bass component set. What that means is that we've got a traditional 6.5-inch woofer in the door, as well as a 2-inch wideband driver hidden under the factory grills up on the dash. And they're powered by Mosconi's tiny Pico 2.0 amplifier, which gives them about 160 watts in a tiny package. In the boot, that's where things get really interesting. We've got Focal's fantastic premium FPX 1.1000 monoblock amplifier, which in this configuration is giving these subwoofers about 700 watts at 2 ohms, which is how they're connected. And the woofers themselves are a little bit secret squirrel, so we can't tell you much about them. The best thing about this install though, and the bit that I've really enjoyed creating over the past few weeks, is the subwoofer enclosure. It's a fairly standard ported enclosure. I chose this to get a little bit more output out of it, have some fun with it in the car. It's tuned to 38 Hertz with a rectangular port. But the thing I had the most fun with is the fascia, which is designed to give the box some real dimension and show off these woofers, as well as fit with the look of the car and give the boot some interesting detail that matches the performance exterior. So if you're looking for some serious sound with some great custom touches, speak to us here at AVDC.